I'm in the Antelope Valley. I hope everyone that's tuning in is well and that you had a pleasant weekend. Today is February 28th, 2022, last day of February, heading strong into March and into the spring, and hopefully a good, strong spring selling market. My name is Mark Troth, broker and co-owner of Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices, Troth Realtors, right here in Lancaster, California, bringing you the weekly update for the Antelope Valley real estate market. As I like to point out week after week, enjoy bringing you the statistics for our local market. A lot of times our numbers get lost with Los Angeles County, state of California statistics. And so I feel it's important that folks have a local resource to go to in order to see exactly what's going on right here in the Antelope Valley real estate market. And speaking of what's going on in the Antelope Valley real estate market, let's go ahead and get right into our first slide. There we go. As I like to point out, all my statistics come from the Greater Antelope Valley Association of Realtors MLS system. So you can see this morning that we start with 492 active listings on the market. That's not the low point for the year, but we started the year with 542. So it's been trending a little bit downward. You can see that that's down from 504 last week and down from 517 4 weeks ago. The good news is that our pending numbers are up and holding strong. We're at 719 pending listings on the market. That's up from last week when we were at 697, up 3.2% from last week, and then up from 4 weeks ago, 2.4%. So definitely properties as they come on the market, they are going into escrow, as we will see by the next slide. So we will go to slide number 2 here real quick. And there we go, a little bit of a difficulty on the cursor right there, but there we go. What I'm going to attempt to do is at the end of every month, bring you year over year statistics as that we will point out in this slide. So you can see last week we had 110 residential listings come on the market. Down a little bit from the previous week when we had 122. But looking back year over year, you can see that the last week of February in 2021, we only had 88 properties come on the market. And then it's going one line down, looking at what residential listings into escrow, what we call pendings, is last week we had 127. That's definitely an increase from the prior week when we were at 113, up about 12.3%. But in comparing year over year, you can see where our numbers are holding very strong from 2021 year over year to 2022. Interesting number is those pendings, the median cumulative days on market had a drop of 3. Those active listings were staying on the market about 9 days before they were going into escrow, down from 12 the prior week. Up a little bit from the prior year when we were at 7, but still 12, 9, 7, whatever that number is, it's an incredible number for how fast properties are still coming on the market and going off. So definitely, even with a little bit of an increase in interest rates, buyers are very interested in still buying real estate. Interesting number here. And our median sales price for last week was $474, up about 7.5% from the prior week. But look, year over year number, up almost over 33%. Median sales price last week of February in 2021 was $355. Median sales price last week, $474. That $474, a little bit higher than what it has been, as you could see from the week prior when it was just a little under $442. But still, even if you were to look at the change from 442, 355, that's still a great year over year increase. You can see our median list price over the last 77 days was 452.5. So definitely still some upward pressure on pricing. The Antelope Valley real estate market continues to do well. like every other market in the United States, could we definitely use more inventory? Absolutely, absolutely. Will that start to take place as we head into spring? Kind of think it will. In talking to my associates here in and around the office, they definitely are getting some inquiries with folks getting ready to go on the market in the spring. So kind of we'll wait and see as we continue to take a week after week look at what the real estate market continues to do. So with that, we're going to wrap up this week's market update for the Antelope Valley. Any other statistics that I might be able to furnish you, by all means, feel free to reach out to me or any of our trusted associates here at Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices, Troth Realtors, serving the Antelope Valley since 1957, 65 years, and proud to be a part of the fabric of the Antelope Valley. So with that, everyone, make it a great week. Take care and see you next Monday. All righty, bye.